Okay, I thought I'd show you guys up close what it looks like. The driver has got pretty good detail. It even says Digger on his helmet. Pretty cool. The only thing I noticed on this is for this to close properly, the battery ends up having to be turned in that direction so that these cables don't come up and hit the driver, because the body just doesn't close securely. And you know, the sloppy wiring that they had, you know, you kind of clean that up because it gets tangled on the side where it locks in, you know. All the wiring does, and then it doesn't go down nicely. But anyways, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to look at it too because I'm going to remove these shock towers, this shock tower in the rear, and put a regular truck body on. I don't have to cut the truck body. I'm not going to cut the frame. I might paint the frame. I don't know. But yeah, pretty cool. Okay, this is fresh out of the box. I may have to do a few little things to it. Like it steers left a little bit tighter than right. I mean, quite a bit. So I'm going to have to set the end points on that. This here, I'm going to have to clean up. This is so I can turn the lights on and off rather, you know, because there's a third channel on here on the radio and you could turn the lights on right here just by hitting this button. So I'll do that. I don't like this strap very much. It's so hard to get on there. And it's just, I don't like it. I think I'll just go with regular straps. I'll definitely be cleaning up the wiring. I'm going to probably paint all this. I'll probably paint it all black. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, guys, I loose fit a J Concepts truck body. I think it's an 8th scale body onto the Bigfoot without having to do any modifications to the Bigfoot. I'm sorry, to the LMT whatsoever. I didn't want to have to mess with cutting into the frame or anything. You know, like some people will, gotta have multiple hands to do these videos. Some people will just cut this off here so they have the clearance for a truck body. This body, I had a couple of them, 2 of them actually, and I was using them on the Granite, but I mean, it fits perfect just by notching out just a little bit and let that hang through. I mean, that could be where you could attach a bumper. I don't know how well you could see that in the kind of dark room here, but anyways, and then the back end, I had to cut up into the window almost to where the edge of the window is, and then back a ways, and then I can even keep the wheelie bar if I wanted to. So I mean, zero modifications to that. So this is pretty close on this point, but these 4 points will hit perfect. This will hit perfect. I really don't need any more than 6 screws holding this body on. I mean, I could put a couple up front, but I think that's going to work out real good. I'll get it. This J Concept body is so thick you can't cut it with scissors. You've got to use like a Dremel tool or something to cut it because it's just really thick. And something I learned about the Dremel tool, I've been using Dremel tools forever, is the quicker you cut, the less slag you're going to have, less, you know, burning of the plastic, let's just say. But yeah, it worked pretty good. All right, I'm going to continue. I'm going to paint the frame, and I might remove the wheelie bar. I don't know. I'm just really eager to get out and bash because this thing hasn't been ran yet. All right, we'll let you see it when it gets going. All right, bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. emptiness hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Brother, I don't let you go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been